Qualcomm officially certified. AINOPE is proud to be the 1% officially certified partner of Qualcomm. This requires that this dual QC fast car charger needs to pass the following experimental tests in Qualcomm's official military-grade laboratory. 1. Fast charging speed test. 2. Device compatibility test. 3. Battery health-friendly test. 4. Heat dissipation during charging tests, and so on. This way, AINOPE can give you the same fast charging experience as the original charger. Dual ports QC3.0 fast charging. Dual ports pump out 36W total. The USB car charger adapter can fast charge two devices simultaneously at QC3.0 speed and charge from 0 to 80% in 30 minutes. Provides 6x faster charging speed to compatible devices. Please note, iPhone don't support QC3.0, however, this fast car charger adapter can also charge iPhone quickly. Minimum size, flush fit design, with a tiny thumb-sized, size 1.79-inch 0.94-inch, body, QC3.0 quick car USB charger. Fast charge perfectly blends with most car charger cigarette lighter and sits comfortably with the edge of the outlet. Our smallest car USB charger yet, it's portable and you can take everywhere. Durable USB-C fast charge cable, cost-effective and convenient. The package of USB car charger fast charge adapter comes with a Type-C cable, which has featured anti-break SR and hard-wearing nylon, enduring more than 40,000 plus times bending test without break. Universal dual QC3.0 USB fast car USB charger is compatible with any Android and iOS mobile devices. All metal body want heat. The upgrade metal cigarette lighter USB car charger will not be burnt out, which is safer than plastic one. Certified by multiple safety certifications, the dual-port fast-charging USB charger has multiple protection against overcurrent, overcharging, and will guard the safety of your devices. Top reviews from the United States. Quick charge. I love this charger for a fast charger, but my daughter loved it more. The only dislike is that it's flat with your car and tough to get out.